I hope that your week is starting off well. I've enjoyed reviewing the syllabi and will continue to do that. That's a really good visually appealing syllabi and very functional. One of the challenges of a syllabi is satisfying the audience. On one hand, we're an audience or a user, right? We want to make sure that everything the Office of the Provost wants us to put in there is in there, and everything that we feel the student needs to see is in there as well. And then the other user or audience is our student, and they want to know, well, if I need to get a hold of you, can I text you? And once I submit something, how long will it be till you turn it back to me and I can look at my grade? And if I'm in the course and I see that you're in there, can I chat with you? And when is the best time to get a hold of you? And things like that. The things that they want to ask you if they're in a face-to-face class and they're kind of not necessarily even knowing that they need to know that information in a syllabi, but it can create a subtle level of disequilibrium if there are too many outstanding questions for a student in an online class. So that online syllabus policy template that we have linked at the beginning of this current week is your friend. Go ahead and look through that and perhaps even think of some things that you might want to address that aren't even on the left-hand side under the categories. And perhaps ask one of your students to look over a syllabus and say, what are 2 or 3 things that a student would also need to know that aren't on this syllabus already? Sometimes bringing a student into the review process of a syllabus can be very helpful. Remember, this Wednesday at 1 o'clock, we have a live session in preparation for week 5, and we're going to add a little unique twist to that in our course following the live session as well. So look forward to seeing you in the live session at 1 o'clock on Wednesday. That's 1 o'clock my time on Wednesday, which is Eastern time, or just Central time, but it's going to be 2 p.m. Eastern time. Yeah, you may want to double check your course information, but I'll look forward to seeing you in the live session on Wednesday and in the course today.